Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring marine animals, octopus, turtle, and dolphin. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a cute octopus staring with her head. Then, I draw two of her cute eyes and the little eyebrows. I draw her smiling mouth. Then I draw her 8 legs like this. Next to the octopus, I draw a cute turtle, starting with his big eyes. Then I draw his smiling mouth and his head. I continue with his body, and I draw the tortoiseshell. Draw his 4 legs. Finally, I draw a cute dolphin, starting with his eye. Then draw his mouth and his head. Draw his fin like this. Next, I draw his tail. Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use this light purple marker to paint the dolphin. Then I use gray. For the tortoiseshell, I use dark yellow and brown to paint. Next, I use green to paint his legs and his head. Finally, I color the octopus pink. I color her eyes sky blue. light purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.